For this week's Cattle Call, I want to congratulate the winners of the Omaha Trophy, which is awarded to the ICBM Missile Wing of the Year. Our Mighty 90 at F.E. Warren won it for the third year in a row. This goes to the best missile wing in the country. These 3,300 airmen and 975 civilians make up the group that is on the ready 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, every day of the year, and is part of the nuclear triad, which is made up of our submarines, our bomber-based, and our land-based missiles. Together, the nuclear triad allows us to project peace through strength. I hope our president will take the fact that our military is on the ready 24 hours a day to the negotiating table as he meets with Vladimir Putin and other leaders around the world that need to see the strength of America projected behind his shoulder. For this week's Cattle Call, I'm Cynthia Lemus.